Wait. Before you skip this part, I was just gonna tell you, I didn't even mean to record this video, but my friend told me to record it because he's gonna do something crazy, and yeah, he did. So watch the video to find out. But I will put a timestamp on the description down below, so you know, if you wanna skip it to the good part, I got you, bro. And yeah. Also, there's a lot of Tagalog in this video, so I just gonna, you know, put some caption, subtitles, not caption, subtitles. Is it caption or subtitles? I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so you guys can understand, but there is some English on the video, but it's not that much, you know. Anyway, enjoy. Yeah, enjoy watching, brothers.
Hi po mga skibidi. Ako po, si Kim. Mabuti po akong bata.
Are you sure about that?
What up, baby girl?
Hey, yo! Lalim ng boses.
Ito. What up, baby girl? May I have your number?
Lalaki yan, man. Lalaki yan. You're gay, bro. No. Bro, kanong 4K, bro. You're gay.
Ito.
AFK,
Baby boy.
Baby boy.
Number.
Nah, bro.
Come to my house tonight. Love you.
Hey, yo. Ayun sa taso. Ayan.
Skibidi Sigma is Ohio.
Skibidi Sigma is Ohio. Ikaw mga batang burok na. Kanta mo.
Oy, kanta mo.
I love Sigmas. I like Skibidi Sigma is Ohio. Skibidi.
Dito. Sama-sama tayo.
Sama tayo.
Ayun, oh. Yung naka-pink.
Baka adik tayo.
Ayun yung malalim yung boses, eh.
Hello po.
Hello po. Magbebenta po kaming ano.
Marami mga kasama dito
Ako po, si Kim. Mapagbigay po. Ay, hindi wag.
Ayaw sa'yo, bre.
Meron akong mga kaibigan.
Ika dito, Kim. Bili, Kim.
Guys.
Oh.
I love minors.
Guys.
Oh.
I lost
What
my
if
patience.
maghahanap na lang tayo ng mga ano?
Duterte ko ba yan?
Loko.
Stop making noise because hindi pa ako tapos sa aking
Okay, Duterte, okay. Sorry, Duterte.
Love you.
Maghahanap tayo ng babae,
Okay. Tapos ano?
Sino marunong mag-speech ba yung makaano ng mga babae?
Ay, hindi ako yan.
Paano natin?
Wala ako dyan.
Tara. Maghanap na.
Sige.
Tara, Duterte.
Let's go.
Dito lang po kami.
Hello mga ladies.
On and off.
What's up, shawties?
Maybe because
Ladies,
Ang liit yan, bre.
Just mute these people.
Baka matulpo ka man.
here to find some ladies and girls na
Mahilig daw siya sa minors.
Minus. Pedophile.
Can you guys please distract them?
balik ka rin.
Ayaw sa atin, pre. They don't like us, bro. They don't like us.
Hindi pa ako tapos sa aking speech. Hindi pa ako tapos.
Sige, Duterte go. Sige.
Ang gusto ko lang ba is makakita kami ng ano.
Nang ano?
Ay, pedophile.
Ang dami dito. Dito.
Family. What's up, my family?
Hey! Aray ko, tenga ko. Agoy. Yung tenga ko, bro. Ang dami, ano yan?
Please, can I say that? Good mama.
Wala. Broke ako, broke. No.
Mama, say that. Teach me how to say the N-word, please.
Lumayo ka po sa amin, mga di.
Ay. Lutong. No.
Sino nagsabi nun? Meeting. Nang ma-report.
Oh, sino nagsabi? Ayun.
meeting dito.
Sa Kim, dito Kim. Kim. Wala na.
Said the N-word. Said the N-word.
Who said the N-word? Oh my God.
Meeting.
Meeting.
Patay ka, Kim.
Meeting, please. Here. Not there. Dito dapat. Sino nagsabi ng N-word, guys?
Si Mandela. Si GZ Tommy.
Oh my naman, guys. Ba't tayo nag-N-word dito, guys?
Not me, bro. Yeah, bro.
Oh, gulit ako sa mga ni...
Yung... Habulin.
Permission.
Let's go.
Ready to report, Kim, for saying N-word.
Okay,
I am
Patay, reported.
Okay, voice chat. Sundin na voice chat. Kim, choose one, swearing, saying N-word.
Patay ka, Kim.
Submit, done. Okay, reported. Let's go.
Patay ka. Patay ka ba? Uy, nawala.
Good job, team.
Naban.
Good job.
Nagut. Naban si Kim, guys.
Good job, team.
Bro, naban si Kim, guys. Bro, Kim got banned, bro. Okay, I'm gonna end the recording right there. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and comment on the video down below what should I play next. And yeah, thank you for watching again. Flaking MCL out. Have a freaking nice day, freaking nice life if you got one. I mean, you do, but you gotta just find a purpose, you know. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Have a nice night, nice day, I don't know. Just bye. See you in the next video.